A mid-Michigan father is facing charges of child abuse in Jackson County, and officials say there have been a rise in the number of abuse cases in the last few years. But as Steve Doty reports, it's now becoming easier for prosecutors to file charges with the new way of interviewing people.
It was discovered that the child was suffering from a skull fracture.
Thomas Carter is charged with abusing his 4-month-old child, but it's not the only case the prosecutor's office has handled as of late.
Unfortunately, over the course of the last 2 years, even predating this, what I consider to be an alarming increase in the incidence of sexual abuse
and physical abuse, prompting the county to initiate a new way to interview children who have been the victim of sexual or physical abuse. Held at the Center for Family Health in Jackson, children are able to come in and talk to one person while law enforcement listens through the glass, reducing the number of times a child has to relive the abuse.
We've got some space. We've all wanted to see this Child Advocacy Center come into fruition. Just think about having it here.
Since September, the Jackson County Prosecutor's Office has sent 18 cases here, and many of them have resulted in criminal charges.
Of those 18, our charges have arisen in 12 of those cases.
Much more than the prosecutor's office anticipated. And while the abuse seems to go in spurts, there seems to be a common factor in each case.
I think in some cases it's very young parents not knowing how to parent children. It's the economy.
In Jackson, Steve Doty, Fox 47 News.
Those involved in the Children Advocacy Center say they expect to see somewhere between 40 and 50 child abuse cases before the center hits their 1-year anniversary in September. The 4-month-old is recovering at C.S. Mott's Children's Hospital. A hospital spokesperson tells us he's in good condition.